Hello, how are you all? This is from Code for Tomorrow, and today we'll talk about a Biography app. What I built for Android, and let's run the code actually. Okay, this actually takes some times because Android Studio is very heavy software. Okay, maybe it's here. Yeah, it's here, and we see that many buttons, and I named it Noses by the when I click childhood, and it shows a page, and I write some things in here, and I set a photo. When we click in career, we see what actually he did in his career, and I set a photo in his career, and like this. When you click in any part, it will show about his life in that. Okay, let's go to the main activity. What actually we did in this app, we will talk about this in here. First of all, we create a text view, and in here I can set Nozul's biography. Then I took some buttons. That's it. Okay, and in my main activity, I just found the button and set the play on click listener. Actually, what I did here, this is the most important part in this video, I think, actually, because we set only two activities and set and build the app, but if we do not implement the code in this system, then we must add more activities. But I think there are more methods, but I follow the methods and I just built it. Okay. When we click button 1, it will pass the ID, and when it knows that it is clicked button 1, it goes to the main activity to second activity, and it pass two value. Actually, not two value. First one is actually key. The second one is called value. Second activity. What did we here? Do here. First of all, we set a bundle, and we just hold the key or the value here. The key, actually, we hold the key here. If the bundle is not null, if it pass actually a key, it will just hold the key, and we pass the key in a function, and we write actually in this function everything. When the function pass the value, that shows that it button 1, it passes button 1. Then we set a text view. There's the text view actually. I am talking about this, and we set the image view under. That's actually I did in this app using two activities. And actually, I won't go to the implementation part in this part of video. I will go to the implementation part, and I will show you all how we did actually in the second part of this video. Actually, that's all from this in this part, and in the second part we will see the implementation part of this application. Thank you all. Stay connected.